Okay, we're gonna use these little green acrylic eyes. I think is gonna work for him. Just make a little reference mark here so we can this gives us an idea how much we want to cut out. Enjoy watching my videos. Please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. We appreciate that. We're going to take a little bit out in here. We don't want to make them too big because then they'll fall through. So we're going to take the back off now. What we got to do is we got to take some of this out in here so we can get our eye to fit right. So I'm going to take some of that out and then we'll be back with the next step. Thanks for watching.